Master of Arts in Philosophy MAPI is one of the most popular postgraduate programs offered by IGNOU for students who wish to explore the deeper meaning of life, truth and knowledge. The course includes subjects like ethics, logic, Indian philosophy, Greek philosophy and philosophy of religion, which help students understand the human mind and the nature of existence. If you are enrolled in IGNOU MAPI course and facing challenges in preparing your project synopsis for MPYP1, then this is the best time to act. IGNOU requires every student to submit a well-structured synopsis and project report for successful completion of the program, and Self-GAN is here to guide you at every step. Students often get confused about choosing the right topic, preparing synopsis format, or following IGNOU guidelines. The team at Self-GAN provides complete support for making your MAPI project and synopsis easy and error-free. We help you write your project with accurate content, proper structure, and correct reference style that ensures best approval success rate. Our expert mentors understand IGNOU's marking and approval system, so your project gets approved on time and without rejection. For any assistance, you can contact Self-GAN on 96997843005 or visit selfganignu.com to get your project prepared at an affordable price. Remember, the submission timeline is very important. For December TE session, synopsis submission is from August to October, and the project report submission happens in October and November. For June TE session, synopsis submission is from February to April, and the final project submission is in April and May. Do not wait until the last moment. Submit your synopsis now and get professional help from Self-GAN to make your MAPI project perfect, on time and fully approved. Self-GAN offers the best project guidance, quick delivery and trusted support for IGNOU students across India.